We're asked the associative property is true for which of the following operations? And then they list the different choices. So this one is one that you should, to save yourself time, you should just know these properties of addition, multiplication, etc. And so you should just know by glancing at this that the associative property is true for addition and multiplication. So the correct choice is choice A. Let me prove that to you. So the associative property is basically the one that says that you can change the order in which you parenthesize the expressions and it doesn't affect the outcome. In other words, for addition, A plus B, if I add those two numbers first and then add the number C, I'm going to get the same result as if I add A to the sum of B plus C. And this is a true fact. You certainly can verify that with a series of numbers, but it's been proven fact that this is true for addition. So this is the associative property of addition. This is also true for multiplication. So if I replace all those addition symbols with multiplication symbols, I get another true statement. So it is true that the product of A times B times C is equal to the product of A times the product of B and C. Okay, so that's why choice A is the correct choice. Let me prove to you that it's not true for subtraction or division. So for subtraction, if I took A minus B and then subtracted off C, the question is, would I get the same thing as A and then subtracting off the difference of B minus C? And the answer is no, these are not the same. Over here on the right side, we see that if we distribute that negative, we actually get A minus B plus C, and certainly those two expressions are not equal. Likewise, if I try to divide A divided by B and then that divided by C, the question is that equal to A divided by the quotient B divided by C? So I'm going to write these as fractions, okay, like this. And so if I want to divide these two fractions, I'm going to view this as C over 1, and likewise this one is A over 1. So on the left I get A divided by B times 1 over C, and over here on the other side I get A divided by 1 times C over B. So on the left I get A over BC, on the right I get AC divided by B. These are clearly not equal, and so the associative property is not true for division. And so again, our correct choice is A.